Okay, so my name is Upadhyay Pratigya. I am from class 10G. Today I am going to explain the dentist kit, instruments and all the tools. Okay, so she is my patient.
Patient is very happy.
So this is sawtooth. This instrument is called sawtooth. So this helps in scrap the stubborn plaque and calculus on the teeth. Okay. This is dental tweezer. Removes the food stuck in the teeth at the backside, which we are not able to see or get it out from our hands. Okay. This is dental mirror. This is used to see the place where we are not able to see the problems. And this is used to measure the pockets in the teeth, and its tip is somewhat inserted in the gingival sculpts that is surrounded in our teeth area, and this is inserted there only. This is a sharp needle. Instrument's name is sharp needle. This is used to remove the tartar from our teeth. This is Sigil tartar scaler. This is also the same use, removes tartar from our teeth. This is Hoy tartar remover. This also have the same function and removes tartar from the teeth. This is spoon excavator. This helps in cutting. This helps in cutting and removing the bacteria, visible bacteria from the decayed tooth. Thank you. Always take care of your teeth because they are most important. If we don't have that, then we can't eat food. So I am checking her teeth. Open your mouth. So you are able to see this. Good teeth. Thank you.